growing up, nakahiligan ko na ang pagpinta. Isa ini sa mga butang nga nagapalipay sa akon. Ako si Jude Tadeo Stelmoso, proud MX3 believer from Bacolod City. My love for art is limitless. Pero sadly, hindi ko na napadayon because of my asthma attacks. So for me to continue my passion, I need to take care of my health. Nag-exercise ako, nagakaon sa insakto, I drink plenty of water, and I regularly take MX3 capsule. Ang MX3 capsule may ara sang alpha, beta, and gamma nutrients. It has powerful antioxidants nga nagapabulig mapabaskog sang aton immune system. Gani, nagapagsik ako and inspired to paint every day. I have always been an MX3 believer. MX3 helps me see the different colors of life. I always thank the Lord who gives me strength and for blessing me a partner in my health journey. Diri na ko sa tunay, natural kag original, MX3.